Welcome back. In this video, we're going to take a look at Scratch tutorials. Scratch has developed a number of tutorials that will help students develop their coding skills. You can access the Scratch tutorials in a number of different ways. If you click on the Ideas tab at the top of the page and scroll down, underneath the activity guides, you'll see a link to all the tutorials that Scratch has to offer. The tutorials are categorized so you can filter based on your interest. You can also search for tutorials if you have something specific in mind. If you're new to Scratch, I strongly suggest you start off with the Getting Started tutorial, which you can access from the front page. When you begin a new tutorial, it automatically creates a new project for you and saves it under My Stuff. Before we get started working on the tutorial, let's give this project an appropriate name, and let's begin. Scratch's tutorials are a great way to get started coding, and if you're not new to coding, they're a great way to develop your coding skills. Scratch tutorials all start off the same way, with a short little video demonstrating what will be covered in the tutorial.
With Scratch, you can make your own stories, games, and animations. Let's start by grabbing a move block. We can click the block to run it. There are many other blocks to choose from. Check out the different categories. Let's go to the sound category and grab a play sound until done block. I'll snap this onto our move block. When do we want these code blocks to run? Add an event block on top to start the code. I'll add the when green flag clicked block. You can easily reorder or delete these blocks at any time. Add as many characters as you want to your project and code each one. Check out the tutorials page for ideas and inspiration.
On the following animated cards are step-by-step instructions helping your students recreate what was covered in the tutorial video. The great thing about these animated coding cards, students can work right alongside with them in the Scratch coding environment. And once they understand all the techniques covered, they can close the tutorial and make the project their own. Scratch on!